Rachel.
And I'm Jean.
And welcome to lettucebake.
Today we are making a giant
chocolate chip cookie!
This giant chocolate chip cookie will pair so good with ice cream. You can find our recipe in the description below. Before we begin, we just want to give a shout out to Maddox.
Thanks, Maddox, for sending in what you baked. It looked delicious.
So yummy. Kids, make sure you send your own baking to www.lettucebake.com and we'll give you a proper shout out too.
We're going to be using a cast iron skillet today, but if you don't have that at home, you can just use a simple cake pan. Here's what you're going to need for your giant chocolate chip cookie. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 3/4 cups of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of softened salted butter, 1 whole egg plus 1 egg yolk, and the vanilla, 1½ teaspoons.
For the dry ingredients, we need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. And we can't forget the chocolate. We'll need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips.
Now let's get started. Jean, what's with the big glass of milk?
Oh, well, I always have cookies and milk.
Okay, I guess a big cookie, big glass of milk. First step, preheat your oven to 375. Jean, what's with the mustache?
Oh, I always get a mustache with milk. Next, you want to cream your butter and sugar together.
You're going to want to cream it until it's light and fluffy.
What? Now you want to add your egg and egg yolk one at a time.
Now, time to add the vanilla.
Add your baking soda and salt to your flour and then fold it into your cookie dough.
So once your cookie dough has come together, it's time to add your semi-sweet chocolate chips.
And just gently fold them in. This cookie dough is ready for our pan. We've gone ahead and lightly sprayed our cast iron pan with cooking oil.
Now it's time to dump the cookie into our pan.
And you're just gonna smooth it out in the pan in one nice even layer. What's so funny?
Now it's off to the oven for 20 minutes at 375.
I cannot wait for that glass of milk, Rach.
I hope I don't get a milk mustache.
Comes with the territory. After 20 minutes, take cookie from the oven, sprinkle with milk chocolate chips, pressing down slightly, and continue baking for 15 more minutes. We pulled our cookie from the oven and let it rest for 15 minutes. I've got my big glass of milk. We've topped it with ice cream.
Let's eat. I have anything here.
I don't know.
Thanks for joining us today on lettucebake. It was a real hairy bake.
We'll see you next time. Sisters are so great. You braid each other's hair.